Hi guys, this video is I am share the situation at the lockdown period set them then by 3 skill share the idea not skill day to day life the 8 or them to lower target future the Yamaka Fangani Amazon future the problem to solve with the Siamating Pangani. So let's start. First option is they learn new courses. There is a platform kaya free the course tamba yana by the opportunity any platform the online through the course kaya tamba example in a Google Masamaki website digital marketing course tamba the free the opportunity with the PD other links in description the share of the ma'am do course double or a certificate so pigani other certificate to now apply to matum so with the young kana of fangani aduga certificate kaktangi nati with the knowledge to gain to fangani adutanatana a hobby not skills and develop over the sigi matams utilized to yagani. Second option is when a Hanada fitness skill and be salam the Taragasu, Hosi forward chance of money, Adudi Yum the home workout in the Tauraga, we have labor situation, Sigasu, October to prevent on the Makta, our home workers start to Wayagani, Assistina Hoiki, Haxans fit labor than Natana, we have labor situation, Sigasu, October on the way the Makta, Hoyaxans active land bar, the immune system say, weak with the way the Makta, Hoyaxans workout not activities to Wayamata, assist Hoiki, expert camps so highly, Adudi situation saying October on the way the Makta, Hoyaxans active labor not to workout to Wayamata. Adugi workout to Taraga di home workouts in the best exercise ni adugi mamna egi channel se channel su home workout best home workout kaya so ina mamngi damakta share do jari mam do yenga ka su workout to yagani adudi workout to wise akoi haksan sigi fitness ta su yam kanaba amasu healthy life ama hingbai damakta akoi haksan su fit labor yamatokta aduga akoi immunity system su strength kalan by the makta workouts in the best option adu mam workout to start to biro aduga morning natra evening anytime the workout se akoi daily routine the eto yagani last option adudi mam dai share doni last idea city book read to adudi any successful me gi magi experience 20-30 experience mamangi mana kamai draw successful oireno haibado khangwai damakta koi mana iramba theory natra magi book Baba Taragadi, a line among in a success or but not a mana kari use to success or in either Kangmangawani. I read the Makta Hosik Lady Matam Sequamanga Iramba book, not a theory to come by the Makta utilized over there. Other Hosik store not online website Punama sat down to Vanina, a books to labor from where I read the Makta bookie audio summary or in a YouTube Taki Nato Play Store the apps some free the available or Dugagi download to Man Iramba, adducing the Paraga when a businessman boy and an entrepreneur boy aduda hen develop over hen a successful way taragadi moi experience 10 20 30 experience to akoi du khangbal oraga akoi implement to yagani akoi business na tra akoi toramba any thawakta aridamukta hojik leiriba matam se akoi lai adudi hen knowledge gain over the makta asigi ideas to man use to yagani ado mayam asina haiba 3 idea natraga 3 ways isu hojik matam sida mayam soina yaktabu adongi daily routine da aduga mayam na channel se so like share amazon subscribe to ko thank you.